Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value. The week started with a strong bullish candle. We can see that making a bullish breakout of this area of resistance, 38.39. The price continued to rise in value, reaching higher price levels very close to this area, 39.68. And then the price returned back down, forming a bearish breakout on the Friday, a pretty strong bearish candle, which is the indication of the further decline in value. A monthly time frame shows me a pretty strong bearish pin bar. We can see that a pretty large wick on the upper side and a small body with a very small wick on the lower side, which means there was a bullish sentiment on the market and then strong selling pressure that has put the price down. A monthly time frame shows me that we are still in the bullish month. Currently we have a bullish breakout about 37.42 on the monthly time frame. Will it be still available and still form it like in this example next week, which is the last week for this month? We will see that closely on the daily time frame, but currently we can see it's still bullish month, and I'm expecting that the price will stay still in the bullish momentum here, at least reaching this area of support and then maybe retracing and bouncing. Now for that we can see that on the daily time frame that currently the price is showing that we could see the price going further down, reaching the area of support at the demand zone around this area of 37.43. But it's very important to see how the Monday opens, because when the Monday opens we will see is there any gap. For example, starting this week with this strong bullish candle, the price has closed on the Friday here, but it has opened on a Monday here. So this means this was a gap for the price. So this gap could be also in the positive manner and also in the negative manner for the price. Will that be that the price opens here or opens here? It will be mandatory to see how the Monday opens. So it's also at least from my side, I always like to see how the price opens and then follow the market, waiting for the Monday to see how the price behaves around this area of resistance. We could see also a retrace here to this area of resistance and then following the further decline in value, what is the daily time frame currently shows. So it's very important to see how the price behaves around this area of this support. If the price makes a bearish breakout below 38.07, this will be a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame, which will be just in line with this bearish momentum on the daily time frame, which is a bearish breakout. So it will be for sure that the price is targeting lower levels, which means 37.66 as a support level. This will be the target. So feel free to check also the link below in the description, which is the link for the premium analysis, where the traders receive the updates when the breakout happens, and also what is potential entry level, take profit level, and a stop loss level. For now, that's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.